In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create an account in DeepSeek AI. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to www.deepseek.com and log in. Next, go to Start Now. From here, since you do not have an account yet, click on Sign Up. Now, type in the email that you want to use. Then, type in a password. Confirm that password. Make sure that it matches. And then click on Send Code. This would now send a code to the email that you just used. Get that code and put it right here. So type the code in, then click on Sign Up. And as easy as that, you've now created an account on DeepSeek AI. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.